Cryptocurrencies are frequently controversial, but Shiba Inu is in a league of its own. Experts have described it as a pump-and-dump scam and argued it's essentially worthless. Although it has a large following on social media, it was one of the best investments of the year in 2021. Nevertheless, what is the Shiba Inu coin? How did the Shiba Inu get into the world of cryptocurrencies? Is Shiba Inu a token or a coin? Reminder, this is just information, not a piece of advice that you should invest in Shiba Inu. So if you're interested in learning more about Shiba Inu breed, stick around until the end. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all of the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and like it if you benefit from it. Also be aware of the scam comment in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to any anonymous site. We will never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. To begin, what exactly is Shiba Inu? The cryptocurrency meme token Shiba Inu was created by a mysterious individual going by the name of Ryoshi. It's similar to Dogecoin, which is based on the Shiba Inu Doge meme. It even refers to itself as the Dogecoin killer. According to the Shiba Inu white paper or the woofpaper, it's a community-oriented cryptocurrency initiative. Theoretically, this implies that the coin and its growth are under the control of the ShibArmy, a decentralized Shiba Inu community. On the other hand, the crypto world isn't entirely uncommon in this respect. Although Shiba Inu's white paper describes it as a new notion, it's really no different from what other initiatives have been doing for a long period of time. Despite its early reputation as a Dogecoin substitute, Shiba Inu differs significantly. Using the Ethereum blockchain, Shiba Inu is capable of running smart contracts, and with smart contracts, Shiba Inu is able to operate with decentralized apps, and some of the benefits include capability with Ethereum wallets such as Coinbase Wallet or MetaMask, and availability on decentralized trading platforms like Uniswap. Dogecoin, on the other hand, does not have this functionality, leaving it significantly more constrained in terms of what it can do. Now, how is Shiba Inu used? At the outset, Shiba Inu was intended to function as a form of digital money. Since then, it has developed a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange in an effort to grow the Shiba Inu community. Here's a deeper look into the contemporary usage of Shiba Inu. The first one is digital currency. Shiba Inu can be used as a payment mechanism for companies that accept it for peer-to-peer digital payments. However, it isn't generally used to make payments, as it has no benefits over other cryptocurrencies in this area at all. The second is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. ShibaSwap is a decentralized crypto exchange that was established by the Shiba Inu team in July 2021. DEXs, or decentralized exchanges, are crypto exchanges without a centralized authority. Their services fall under the umbrella term of decentralized finance, which refers to conventional financial services that do not need the participation of banks or other financial organizations. Additionally, users may stake or deposit their cryptocurrency in the exchange's liquidity pools to allow the exchange to utilize it. In exchange, users earn cryptocurrency incentives on their staked tokens. So now that we're through that distinction, let's get into how it came into the cryptocurrency picture. The Shiba Inu coin was designed anonymously in August 2020 by Ryoshi. Just like with Bitcoin and Satoshi Nakamoto, we don't know who the real inventor is. For all we realize, Ryoshi could be a collection of individuals rather than simply one person. Number one, it's an alternative cryptocurrency to Dogecoin, which is an alternative cryptocurrency to Bitcoin. Number two, it was given this name in honor of the Japanese dog breed known as Shiba Inu. Number three, it's already a huge hit with major cryptocurrency exchanges because of its large fanbase, memes, tenacity, and adorable puppy. Now that we've gone off track, is Shiba Inu a coin or a token? It's important to note that although coins have their own blockchain, tokens are built on top of pre-existing ones. However, there is no dedicated blockchain for Shiba Inu. As a result of this, it's a token produced on the Ethereum network. Because popular cryptocurrencies such as Doge and BTC have their own blockchains, they are referred to as coins. It's not just BAT and Ether that follow this idea. CoinSwitch Kuber has a lot of other popular tokens that do the same thing. It's worth noting though that Shiba Inu is amongst the most recent waves of digital assets which have seen a rise in demand. It's critical to know what you're investing in and the dangers involved before trading cryptocurrencies, or any digital money for that matter. Because cryptocurrency is unpredictable and it isn't often backed by assets, so don't bet money that you can't afford to lose. And with that, today's video ends. If you've gained any value in today's video and want to see more in the future, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe button, and press the bell notification. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.